Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video. Today we are learning the basic operations vocabulary. In other words, math words. Let's get into it. What are the four basic operations that we do in maths? And what are their symbols? Alright, if you said addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you nailed it. And you can see the symbols that we use next to the word. So for addition, we have a plus or a cross. For subtraction, we have a dash. For multiplication, we have an X. And for division, we have a line with a dot below and a dot above. And for equals, we have two parallel lines. So what is addition? What is it? It's when we add two numbers together. But there are a whole bunch of other words that mean the same thing. So when we hear the word or see the word sum, add, more, plus, make, total, all together, that's a big clue that it's an addition problem. So in the example, we have 4 plus 4. Or that question could be, if we have 4 and we add 4 more, what's the answer? Or 4 plus 4. If we add 4 more onto 4, what do we get? Or what is the sum of 4 and 4? All of those things, all of those sentences tell us it's an addition problem. And the answer would be 8. For subtraction, keywords you're looking out for that give you a big clue it's a subtraction problem. Subtract, minus, leave, less, take away, difference between. Let's check out the example. What's the difference between 6 and 4? 6 take away 4, 6 less 4, 6 minus 4. So you can see there we've used some of those words and put it into a subtraction question, and it makes sense. Moving on to multiplication. When multiplying or looking at multiplication problems, we need to look out for these words. Groups of, product, multiplied by, multiple of, lots of, times, multiple, array, repeated addition. For example, 2 groups of 5. What is the product of 2 and 5? What is 2 multiplied by 5? 2 lots of 5 equals 2 times 5. You can see there, all of those words go into the equation quite nicely. And all those words tell us it's a multiplication question. Division. When we hear share equally, equal groups of, share, divide, divided by, divided into, or split into, that's a massive clue that it's a division problem and that we have equal sharing to do. So 25 divided by 5. 25 split into 5 equal groups. What happens if we share 25 into 5 groups? How big is each group? So you can see there that vocab really aligns itself to division problems. And then we have equals. What does it mean? It means the same as. Makes, total, equivalent, or balances. So if you think of a scale, and if you have 1 kg on one side and 1 kg on the other side, that's going to balance out. But if you have 4 on one side and 2 on the other side, that's going to be out of kilter. So 4 take away 2 is the same as 2. 4 take away 2 makes 2. The total of 4 minus 2 is 2. You can see there that language all pushes us in the direction of equals. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped.